what is causing the most disease in the entire world right now, the most health problems where humans are faced with right now, it is caused from your colon that has round lobes in it, trap your feces every time when you shit. All of your shit now come out because most of you don't have a shit stool. Most of you is dehydrated because you're eating the wrong salt. So your body have access to the water, but the cells are not using it, so the water is outside of the cell. The only way the cell can have access to the water is if the right salt is in the water. The one that is called Celtic salt. That is just an example. Now, what I want you to understand, what they cause the most disease is when your shit is being piled up and piled up in your colon. Your shit consists of many fungus and bacteria, especially bacteria. There's so much different one. But the one that is called E. coli is very dangerous. It burrows through your back. It goes in your testicles. It goes on your, listen. Also, ammonia is poison to human. So when ammonia is being released daily from your colon, your body reabsorb it thinking that it's nutrients. Because remember, the last nutrients that is reabsorbed from your food is in the large intestine. This fluid leaks to your large intestine back from the colon, and the large intestine reabsorb this toxic ammonia with a lot of bacteria. Now, as this bacteria spreads, because you're out there with your big tummy, some people, even their tummy is not big, but their colon is black, or you know your colon is black, you're constipated, you're not doo-dooing, you're not passing feces enough time for the day, right? So we have a parasite cleansing program. See the package in the full body detox. We go clean your colon. We go remove mercury from your brain. So you go always also remove parasites. Now there's the remineralized part of it. After we clean your body, you go remove good nutrients because we have to cleanse the colon and flush you out. Make it brand new again. So you go come like when you over drink water, you go leach good minerals as well. So after we in this package, I carry this, after when we clean out, why in a package again is the mineral pack where you go take fluoric acid, you go take iron, you go take one type of iodine where we have named gold. Yeah, man. You understand? It's a source of iodine that we get from a seaweed. Yeah, man, we create our own iodine. So it's multiple different things, multivitamin. You get a copper bracelet because the skin eats copper. The skin helps with melanin production and also protection. It removes disease-causing agent through electromagnetism and pull it to the bumps, the edge of the skin, and release it. Because parasites, disease-causing agent, bacteria, fungus, virus, they are a little bit spirited. They can exit the body because we're electromagnetic being. That is why I tell you that if worst case scenario, you're bedridden, cancer, whatever it is, you come to Jamaica, we come and do sessions of biomagnetism. And also we do red light therapy. We put your body on the bed. We use our scanning machine. Yes. And we scan the body and we take the full diagnosis. We don't take what your doctors say because nothing that your doctors say belongs to us. We are responsible for it. They are liars. They are legal drug dealers. Yeah, they are not bright. We are the fucking geniuses. Tired of telling you. A so genius look. They ragamuffin. Then in a jacket and tie. A jacket and tie man a kill you long. You need to wake up youth. You understand? But anyway, I'm not going into that too much. You know see it? You know see passion? Yes. So come for the full body detox. See it up on the website. You don't have to call we. When you purchase, we will see it. We will attend to you. Yeah man, new book, Earth, Amazon on the website here in Jamaica. New mindset. Get the book, Earth, book 1.